I'm very happy to have you here at the opening of the festival exhibition of the Impact Festival 2019. The sound of one computer thinking, as you can read over there, together with the curatorial introduction text. I'm very happy to have this installation here. It will be on until the 22nd of December. There's a very nice review of the exhibition actually in the NSA newspaper today.